This is why you shouldn't be missing this opportunity to get in gold right now. The reason is very simple: technical analysis. Just go on to TradingView and search in XAUUSD. You will find out the world gold chart. Click on the Onanda's world gold chart, and whatever time frame you are at right now, do not use that. Just go into the 1 week time frame and press enter. After looking in here, let's go and check out in the past what has happened. So previously, gold has many a times given a support in here and bounced back, right, giving you around close to 17%, and then again around 12%, and so on with the other patterns. Now I'm not saying that it might not break down. Obviously it can, and it might fall further down. So rather than investing every single month and getting a very average return in gold, what you can do is, right now if you look at gold from April 2020, it has been in this pattern which has been following, right, and taking a good support. Also there's a zonal support at this level. So if you look at it here, if you would have invested at the top, you might have lost around close to 20%. So rather than doing that, what you can do is take in your best bets in here. If you've got around $100 to invest right now, click around 30% out of it and invest at this level. The rest 60% could be divided up till from here and in here. Your stop loss should not be more than below this zone. If you divide this quantity equally, your mean would be somewhere close to in here, and your stop loss would be around close to 3 to 4%, and your targets could be close to around 20% in here. So this is the reason why it is the right time for you to get into gold using technical analysis and not just getting an average return investing every single month. You can stay invested in this manner, otherwise you can take out your investments, because gold has always had a history of consolidating a lot. So this might be the best opportunity for you to trade into gold on a really long time positional basis. That's all for the video, guys. Do subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Until next time, see you, take care, and happy trading.